In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the heater blower motor located up underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. This fits 2005 to 2007 Chrysler 300. Now, underneath the passenger side of your dashboard, there's going to be a carpeted cover right here. And there's plastic push pins holding this in place. There's one on the left-hand side, one on the right-hand side. We're going to use our trim tool, go up underneath. I'm going to go ahead and pop that off. And go ahead and pull this out. Now on the blower motor, we have our connector. There's a little red locking tab right here. I want to go ahead and release this lock tab. And just push on the back side here. And then push that little lock over. That's going to allow us to push in on the spring tab here and disconnect the harness. Going to pop that off. Next step you want to do is locate the 4 8mm screws holding the blower motor up in place. There is one right here. There's one on the back side closer to the firewall. And then there's 2 more on the right side over here. So we can go ahead, loosen and remove those. And once we have all 4 of those screws out, go ahead and grab that blower motor. I want to go ahead and give this a little wiggle. Go ahead and be careful dropping this down. Suggest being in a well-ventilated area when doing this. And when we drop this down, there is going to be the wire harness that is attached to the blower motor. Use your trim tool and just kind of rotate this around, popping off the clips. And then remove that part. Now go ahead and take your blower motor. We're going to go ahead and line that up. I'm going to go ahead and push that up inside there. I'm going to go ahead and put a screw in here. Get some threads caught on it. Not going to tighten it down. I just want to support that side. Do the same on this one here. And now we can go ahead and let that go and get those other ones installed. Get that back one in, zip that one down. We just have our last one to install here. Snug these down. Once those screws bottom out, just snug them down. Don't want to make them too tight. Go ahead and line up your harness here. Line up that connector, push that on. And go ahead and push that lock over into place. I want to make sure that is pushed on all the way. With everything secured here, we can now install our cover. And then reinstall our little plastic push pins. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.